Hi, and thanks for tuning in to this demonstration video for TerraGo Cloud Drive. In today's demo, we will be showing you how to access content that has been shared to you by another user of TerraGo Cloud Drive. So for those that have tuned in some of the previous demonstration videos, you know that with my initial demo user, I've shared a couple of folders to Bob. So in this screen here, you'll see that I'm actually logged in as Bob so that you can have a quick viewing of how Bob can go ahead and access the folders that's been shared with him. So first, to quickly navigate to the folders that's been shared to Bob, you can click on the Shared With Me link either on the left navigation or in the Share With Me link here in the root folder of Cloud Drive. So once you click on that link, you'll see that the listing of all of the content that's been shared to Bob is now shown on this list. Now in the case of shared folders, you'll actually quickly see what Bob has the ability to do and not do within the folder. So in this case of the first collaboration folder, you'll see that he's actually able to read and write content for this folder. In the case of the internal share, in the second case, he's only able to read the content. So first, let's jump into the read-only folder here. So the three files that the first demo user has uploaded previously is all available for Bob. So you can go ahead and either use the preview mode to click on the button to look at the content of the file, or if Bob likes, he can go and select all the content and download this locally for his use. Now you'll see that since this is set up as a read-only folder, if Bob tries to do anything in terms of trying to upload additional files or folders, he'll be restricted from doing so. So that's the case of a folder. Let's say if I wanted to go and upload another file of the same name, it won't allow Bob to overwrite this particular content. Okay, so looking into the second case where Bob will be going into a collaboration folder. So I'm going to go back and navigate to the internal collaboration folder, where Bob has the ability to read and write the documents. So in this case, if he wanted to go and upload some additional content to this collaboration folder, he can go ahead and do so. So now that's all done, go and check and make sure that the content that Bob has uploaded is now inside. And you'll see that in terms of who the last person that was one that was updating the file, that clearly specifies that it was came from Bob, and this was uploaded within a minute ago. Whereas some of the initial files that were shared with him that was uploaded by user demo, showing that it's created by this user and it was last updated about 39 minutes ago. So let's say Bob has gone in and downloaded the draft presentation file and he's made some edits and he wants to re-upload it into the collaboration so that the latest and greatest file is available. What you can do is go and grab that file and simply do a drag and drop. So it'll actually ask you the option that Bob's available. Do you want to overwrite this file because it's the latest and greatest version? Do you want to go and keep both of them so that the latest file will have the copy moniker at the end to make sure that there's two versions that are visible right on the top of the folder? Or if you want to skip uploading this file. In this case, I'm going to replace because the latest and greatest version that I want to make. So go ahead and click that. And then if I just do a quick refresh here, you'll see that this presentation draft 3 file was now been modified by Bob less than a minute ago. So that takes care of the two usage scenarios in terms of how a user would go ahead and access files that's been shared with them through TerraGo Cloud Drive.